This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sania Allen. Liquidation sale. Below replacement cost and market value. Owner is very motivated and will entertain all offers. Opportunity of a lifetime. This magnificent 3-level mansion is located in the exclusive private gated community Spacious. The home is priced to sell and is below market and replacement value. Exquisite Brazilian cherrywood flooring throughout. The amazement just begins as you open the Double Mahogany Door Grand Foyer, which features 22 feet ceilings with custom molding throughout. Spacious open floor plan opens up to kitchen and family room, offering a full bar area with 150-plus bottle wine cooler. Large poolside lanai area featuring an infinity edge heated swimming pool, spa, fully equipped summer kitchen with sunset overlooking Little Sarasota Bay Oaks Country Club, rated 2019 Platinum to 2020 Platinum Clubs of America. Elevator from the ground floor to all 3 levels. Additional in-law suite which is not included in Living SQT. FT with separate entrance. Oversized laundry room / workroom and large gym room. Immaculate home. For more information, review the details below or contact Sania Allen at 941-266-7829.